Good morning, students. In previous class, we studied the type of asexual reproduction. The fission, the fragmentation, the budding, the regeneration, and spore formation. The last one, vegetative propagation, is we start today. Now, what is vegetative propagation? Vegetative propagation generally occur in plants, and the vegetative parts of the plants develop the new individual. Generally, the parts of the plants such as roots, stem, or leaves, they produce the new organism, and this is known as vegetative reproduction. Now, some units of vegetative reproduction. A plant agave with the help of bulbil, onion and garlic with the help of bulbs. Potato, we have seen a small black dot structure that are known as eyes, through which new individual is developed, new plant is developed. Now, bryophyllum is leaf buds. In hyacinth and pichia, offset. In ginger, rhizome. In oxalis, runner. In mint, sucker. Figures are also shown in our book. Eyes in potato. Second one is rhizome of ginger, through which adventitious roots are developed. Third one is bulbil of agave. Fourth one is bryophyllum leaflets. These are the buds that are developed from the leaves and develop the new plants, and offsets of the hyacinth. This is all about the asexual reproduction. Now we start the sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction involves the formation of gametes, and after gamete formation, the fusion of male and female gametes may be different individual of the opposite sex and form the zygote. Through the zygote, new individual is developed. As we know, the external morphology, internal structure and physiology in all the organisms have some variations. So, when sexual mode of reproduction, what is similar in all of these organisms? This is described by the help of phases in sexual reproduction. In a sexual reproduction, 3 phases are present. First one is juvenile phase, or also known as vegetative phase. The phase all organisms have reached to such certain stage of growth and maturity in their life before they can reproduce sexually. That period of growth is called juvenile phase or vegetative phase. The time of these phases is different in different organisms. The second phase is reproductive phase. Reproductive phase, the age in which the reproduction takes place. And third one is senescence phase, old age phase. The end of the reproductive phase is known as old age phase. Right? Now the end of the juvenile phase. The end of the juvenile phase is easily seen in the higher plants with the help of flowers. As we know, flower is a reproductive part of the plant. Have you seen in some plants flowers come throughout the year, or in some plants in any season? It means some plants are seasonal. Just like that, availability of fruits, just like mango, apple, etc. come in a special season. And now we know plants are annual and biennial type. In these plants, we can easily distinguish the juvenile phase or reproductive phase. But in perennial plants, it is very difficult to clearly define these phases. In annual plants and biennial plants, we can easily distinguish the juvenile phase, reproductive phase, and old age phase. But in perennial plant, it is very typical. In our world, in our universe, some plants show a different phenomena, unusual phenomena. Some example of these unusual phenomena are